Welcome back to Market Movers. I'm your host, Jason Yoss. I'm here with Montele Graves. Montele, good to see you again.
Yeah, good to be back. Thanks for having me.
So we were talking a lot about, things you can do with your property to get the most return. And a lot of it is renovation. What are you telling your clients when they ask you about what should they remodel, what should they renovate, what to do to get the most ROI?
Great question. So it really comes down to what's the long-term goal. And if they really want to get the most bang for your buck, most realtors are going to tell you to renovate the kitchen. Right. And I would say the same thing if you're talking about interior renovations. Right. Now, if you want to get the most bang for your buck, then with the new Senate Bill 9 and Senate Bill 10, SB 9, SB 10, then you want to build an ADU. Right. You want to go on the exterior, do a capital project, and build an ADU. Now, let's double down on that. If you have the lot space for it, and you can do a lot split and build a single family home on part of your lot and sell that, now you're basically a developer and you're going to get the most bang for your buck out of anything that you can do.
Bifurcation. I love that. That's a great way to increase the value of a property. Now, when did you learn this? I mean, I know you've been in the game for a while as a realtor, as an agent. When did you get involved in renovation, ADU, things like that?
Yeah, so when I bought my first single family home, I owned condos and townhomes before, but the lot that I'm on in Santee, I can do that lot split. I can certainly build an ADU, and I'm exploring the lot split. And I've been in touch with developers who've done this, and we're doing feasibility studies for not only myself, but for my clients.
Love it. Montele, thanks so much for providing that kind of information. This is what our clients need to know to be successful out there in real estate. Everyone else, make sure you tune in next week.